Hello friends, this is Faiz and you're watching the Drone Expert YouTube channel. This is our 4th episode of drone mapping series in English. If you missed out our previous videos, I will recommend you to watch the previous video first. All the links are given in the description box. In the previous videos, we discussed about what is orthomosaic, its application, its advantages, output formats. So in this video, we are going to talk about what is point cloud and 3D model, why it is needed, how the point clouds are generated, and many more interesting facts. Without wasting any more time, let's dive into it. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing it and press the bell icon. Let's discuss what is point cloud in drone survey and mapping. When we see the cloud in the sky, it looks like it is a solid form. But in reality, the clouds are made of millions of small water droplets. Similarly, in drone mapping, thousands and millions of geospatially points are combined together to create a 3D virtual mass is called point cloud. Now the question may be coming into your mind, what is the advantage of point cloud in drone mapping, right? Let me explain this to you. Point clouds are used to measure an object's depth, elevation, geometry, and extract its geolocation. These data are very useful in real estate and mining projects to calculate volume of stockpiles. Now we will discuss how point clouds are made. Basically, there are two methods to create a point cloud. First, using LiDAR scanning, and second is photogrammetry. Earlier, point clouds are made using ground-based laser scanning system, but now due to compact size and weight, it is also used in drones. Photogrammetry is the science of taking measurement using photographs, and drone is the best ever equipment available in the current market for photogrammetry. In photogrammetry, hundreds and thousands of images are captured using drone, and these images are geotagged, which means it saves images with geo information like latitude, longitude and altitude. Now, these images are processed in photogrammetry software to create point cloud, 3D model along with other outputs. Important thing to notice here is image acquisition techniques are different for orthomosaic map and 3D model. Because orthomosaic map is a 2D map, and to create a 3D model, we have to capture data around the buildings. Now, we will discuss this in detail how to create a 3D model using a drone in our upcoming videos. Now, many of the viewers may get confused in what is the relation between point cloud and 3D model? Is it the same or different? Right? I will explain this to you is how the 3D model is generated in step-by-step process. In step 1, drone capture images. In step 2, these images get its location X, Y and Z like latitude, longitude and altitude. In step 3, using triangulation, these points are connected together. In step 4, point cloud has been created using these points. Now these point cloud is used to generate 3D models. After image acquisition, all the process has been done in a image processing software to do the rest steps. In the next video, we will discuss what are DSM, DEM and DTM in drone mapping, its importance and difference between DSM and DTM, its application and many more interesting things. If you learned something new, give a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for regular updates. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.